In this video, we explain what a Dothan gas system, piping, or appliance installation bonds are and how insurance agents can efficiently obtain them for their customers. A gas system, piping, or appliance installation bond is a government required surety bond that protects the public from financial harm if the contractor violates the bond's provisions. The limit on the Dothan gas system, piping, or appliance installation bond is $5,000. The bond is required for all gas fitting contractors operating in Dothan, Alabama, and is regulated by the City of Dothan. Contractors are required to purchase this bond as a prerequisite to obtaining a business license. The bond costs just $100 per year and no credit check is required. To avoid claims made against their bonds, contractors must ensure that they do not engage in any acts of fraud, that they return land altered throughout the course of a project to a safe condition, that they ensure the safe conditions of all altered land for a period of 1 year after the completion of a project, and that they replace any excavated soil. Bond exchange makes obtaining surety bonds easy. Insurance agents need to simply log into their account and search our database to find their bond. Don't have a login? Then enroll now by going to bondexchange.com and clicking on that big blue Get a Login button and let us help you satisfy your customers' needs.